What's going on, everybody? Thanks for checking out my video and welcome to the beginning stages of my build. A lot more videos coming along with wheels and tires coming in this week. But I want to start off by saying this is not an install video or a how-to video. Cold air intakes are super easy to install, and there's a bunch of videos already on YouTube of just showing you the basics of how to install a cold air intake. I wanted to do this video just to share my thoughts and my opinions on my first real engine modification. As you can see by the title again, I went with the PMAS or the PMAS Velocity 120 millimeter cold air intake, and it does require a tune. I used the Ngauge by Lund Racing and the Lund Tune to get my car right once I installed the cold air intake. And I will say right away, the performance is great. I'm completely satisfied. I love everything about it so far. You do notice the difference right away. I wanted to warm up the cars to let it get used to the new airflow for the first couple of days. But even right away, you notice the sound difference. And it's way better. It sounds more aggressive. It sounds deeper. You can hear it inside the cabin. And then when I finally took it out on the road, I'll let y'all see that shortly. That's when I noticed the main gains. When on the stock tone, it kind of slows down. You feel like it's starting to let up a little bit, but I got up to like 110, 120 almost, and it felt like it wasn't letting up at all. So overall, it is kind of touchy. The throttle response is a bit touchy, I guess you can say, but overall, I loved it. I would purchase it again, and I would recommend going through either American Muscle, CJ Pony Parts, and then getting the Lund Tune. Keep watching the video. I'll let you hear how it sounds and let you see what I did on the freeway. Thanks for checking me out. Peace.
This Honda gonna cut me off. What? Maybe I'm not that fast.